It's a new technological age.
We don't sell data, we don't have an advertiser.
If you're one of the guys who thinks, I just can't hire women, look in the mirror, you're part of the problem.
The tech ecosystem is just a reflection of our ecosystem. We have to find a way to cancel out the stupidity and the rigidity.
Let's not just put our heads in the sand. Let's try to be part of the solution here.
The era of information technology being dominated by only a single geography is rapidly coming to an end.
Silicon Valley actually is slightly shrinking. You see places like Toronto growing faster than Silicon Valley.
Toronto is an incredible city. It is a place where people are going to love to come together.
Collision, bienvenue au Canada.